Let us shade a portion of this Venn diagram which will correspond to the complement of set R. Notice here how this Venn diagram ended up with this result. This is all about sets. This time, we are tasked to show a Venn diagram which represents the complement of set R. Take note that in this given figure, set R is the rectangular figure, and we are going to shade the portion of our answer. Before that, let me copy it here and start discussing this using the set R itself first. Okay, so we have it here as set R. Set R, if we are to shade set R, we are going to shade this entire region. By mean entire, it's the region bounded by this rectangular figure. This region here, and this region here as well. So this is the representation for set R alone. And since we are tasked to solve for or to show a Venn diagram for the complement of set R, we are going to shade regions outside this rectangular region but still inside our universal set. Let me show it here. This would be our figure now for our R complement. So this is our R complement. Complement means everybody or everything else aside from the set concerned. So look at this here. This is our set R earlier. We shade this one here. So we're just going to do the reverse process. We're going to shade the outside, but not the rectangle here. So we're going to shade this region here, which is part of a triangle because it's outside set R. Even if this is part of the triangle, but still, but it's inside or it's part of set R, so we won't be shading that. The last part that we are going to shade is this entirety here, everything else outside the two sets. So by shading that, this is now our R complement. Again, when you notice this one here, we shaded this set T because it's outside the rectangle R, and all of this outside here also outside rectangle R, but still inside the universal set. So we shade that. Looking at the two, we can see that the R complement is the reverse or what completes our R under the universal set. So this is the answer for our R complement. Whether or not you're a student who likes math, a student who wishes to understand math, or a student who loves math tasks, you all have something in common. And that commonality could make you as our next subscriber. Subscribe now.